Some breaking news we're just finding out about within the last hour. A federal judge has blocked Texas's SB 4, its state border security law, from taking effect. It was set to go into effect next week. It would have allowed the state of Texas to arrest, jail, and potentially even deport illegal immigrants. But a federal judge has now shot that down, writing in part that essentially states can't conduct their own immigration system. That is up to the federal government. Now we wait to see if the state of Texas appeals. In the meantime, we're talking about these competing visits between Biden and Trump coming to very different parts of the border. Let's visualize that for you. Take a look at this graphic right here, courtesy of CBP sources. This is internal data showing Border Patrol apprehensions in both spots over the last 5 days. Look at the trend here. Here where we are in Eagle Pass, hundreds every day. You've had more than 2,000 here in the last 5 days. Brownsville has had only 46 in the last 5 days. Look at Monday in particular. It had 563 compared to 0 for Brownsville. Remarkable numbers there. We'll show you what's been happening here in Eagle Pass. Take a look at these pictures. This was just yesterday. Border Patrol and Texas DPS apprehending a group of 5 unaccompanied migrant children, ages 5 to 11. They came across in a group of 60 illegal immigrants. These little kids were from Honduras and Guatemala. They had notes with them with addresses in both New York and Texas. They see this often down here. They will then go to HHS to be resettled. Listen to this. More than 400,000 of these unaccompanied minors have arrived at the border under President Biden. Then take a look at this video from Eagle Pass back in December. We talk about how this has long been a hot spot along the border here. Fox News has done hundreds of live shots here over the years. This is what it looked like out here in December when you were getting upwards of 4,000 illegal crossings here every day in Eagle Pass for a few-day window. We all remember these viral images. It was carnage out here. Then Texas came in and essentially locked everything down. Short time ago, I caught up with the president of the Border Patrol Union. He told me the White House never reached out to the union regarding President Biden's trip to Brownsville. Take a listen. President Biden going to Brownsville, did the Border Patrol Union ever get any outreach or invitation from the White House about that visit?
Not at all, and I didn't expect it. He's not going to listen to voices of reason. He's not going to listen to people that are going to tell him what he actually needs to secure the border, the programs, the operations, the policies. He doesn't want to hear any of that, and if he would have invited me, that's exactly what I would have said.